Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, I'm going to show you how to fix and resolve arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. Once you try to move from cell to cell and you try to use arrow keys but you are not able to move like this. If you are facing problem, you are not able to move like this. So to resolve this problem, open on-screen keyboard. So type here OSK. Open this on-screen keyboard and here you will see the key scroll lock. So turn on and turn off and try. So this key is the reason you are not able to move. So check out and now try. Turn off and try like this. You are able to move arrow from cell to cell. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel and comment this method work for you or not.